Ever feel like Excel is speaking a different language when it comes to your dates? You're not alone. Sometimes Excel just doesn't get your dates, turning them into mysterious numbers or gibberish, but don't worry. We're going to zap those date formatting problems right out of existence. The most common culprit is Excel treating your dates as general numbers first. Let's highlight the cells with the problematic dates then. Navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon in the number group. Click the little drop-down arrow next to General. Here, you'll see a variety of formatting options. Look for date and select one of the date formats that makes sense to you, like March 14th, 2023 or 14 Mar 2023. See, instant improvement. But what if that doesn't work? Sometimes, Excel's regional settings can cause confusion if changing the format type didn't help. Let's go into the Format Cells dialog box. You can access this by right-clicking your selected cells and choosing Format Cells, or by pressing Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. In the Number tab, choose Date as your category now. Pay close attention to the Locale Location drop-down. Your computer's regional settings dictate how dates are read if your data was compiled in a different region. Try changing this setting to match where the dates originated. For instance, if your dates are written day, month, year, and your settings are month, day, year, that could be the problem. If you've tried those and are still having trouble, it's likely your dates are being stored as text. We can fix that with text to columns. With your date column still selected, go to the Data tab in the ribbon and click Text to Columns. In the wizard, choose Delimited and click Next on the next screen. Uncheck all delimiters, then click Next again. Now, this is the crucial part. Under column Data Format, select Date. Make sure the drop-down next to it matches the way your dates are written, like MDY for month, day, year, or DMY for day, month, year. Then, click Finish. And voila! Your dates should now be recognized correctly, allowing you to perform all those essential date-based calculations and analyses without a hitch. You've just tamed Excel's date dilemmas.